Welcome back to the Paramount Woodco YouTube channel, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what we're building in the shop. Today we're working on something familiar, but with its own unique character, another encased burl coffee table, very similar to the executive desk that we did about 2 weeks ago. This time we're transforming an incredible Buckeye Burl into a one-of-a-kind statement piece. Follow along to the end to see this raw piece of burl transformed into a finished coffee table that truly freezes nature and time. And what you just saw in the beginning of the video is the slab itself being flattened on our CNC. And now John is going to clean up all of the edges and the voids and remove any loose bark and debris that is still left behind. And this step itself is crucial because it ensures the surface is fully prepped before moving into the next stage, giving us a clean, solid foundation for the resin pour. Now that the burl is set in the mold and properly clamped into place, the crew is mixing the resin and dialing in the exact color for the pour. This is always one of the more nerve-wracking parts of the process, and there's no room for mistakes here. But with a team like this, we know everything is going to come together exactly as planned. Now the crew is carefully using shims to remove the burl from its mold. With the resin fully cured, the piece can be taken back to the CNC for another round of flattening. This allows us to level both surfaces perfectly and prep the slab for the next stages of shaping and finishing. And as you can see here, the client chose to go with a sculpted edge on this piece. Rather than creating a true sculpted live edge, this one was carefully carved to complement the natural shape and flow of the burl itself, enhancing the character that was already there while giving the piece a more intentional and refined profile. And just look at that first coat of finish. This is the moment the entire piece really starts to come to life. You can finally see the depth, movement, and character of the wood itself. Buckeye Burl is a highly prized hardwood known for its dramatic swirling grain patterns and incredible range of natural color variation, which is exactly what makes every piece completely unique to itself. For the base of this table, the client chose our pyramid base, custom sized specifically to fit this slab. We built it from beautiful tiger maple and then ebonized it for the final finish, giving it a bold, refined look that complements the burl perfectly. Here the crew is installing the base and bringing all of the final elements together. When building something this custom, especially with transparent resin throughout the piece, base placement has to be exact. It can be a longer process than most people would expect because every detail has to line up perfectly with the shape and visual balance of the top. The crew carefully marks everything out, drills each hole, and then installs the threaded inserts that will create the attachment points for the base brackets.
Pretty good.
And there we have it, a beautifully crafted Buckeye Burl and resin coffee table, finished and ready for its next chapter. And if you've made it this far, you're our kind of person. Help us reach 3,000 subscribers by hitting that subscribe button and tell us, what part of this video did you enjoy the most?